Okay, so I want us to go through the entire trading course curriculum, and you should be able to finish this course within a week. You can look at one lesson a day, and if you do practice as you learn, you'll be performing optimal. So lesson one is what we have just come through. The class is introduction of forex trading. I do hope you have a pretty good understanding of how to trade and how we trade it. Lesson 2 to get the secrets to achieving consistent trading profits, and is based on statistics, based on mathematics, right? You'll be running on statistics of again consistent profits, how to achieve consistent profits from random outcomes. All right, so in a short run, price movement is quite random, but then there are repetition of price patterns that will make us identify what to do for the future. You'll be learning exactly how to trade, just like a casino. A casino is like a game of chance to the players, but the casino always wins because they get an edge over the players' mathematics. You will learn the principles of how casino do it and how to implement it and use it to your advantage, and how to develop a trading system for positive expectancy. Next, for lesson 3, we'll go through technical analysis, which is the main tool I use to get an edge in the market, and this will be about price movement. You'll be learning about foundation movement of PA, candle patterns, how to identify trends, how to utilize support and resistance level, how to master moving average, and how to use the trading platform. And we're going to use the MT4 and the MT5 platform, which are the most common platform used by traders. Okay, lesson 4 is all about position sizing, risk management. How do you manage your money and size your position? How many units do you buy? How many contracts do you buy? And how do you automate your trading business with order management techniques? So your entry and exit are automated. You don't have to be there, because when you're there, it will take some emotions out of you. Okay, lesson 5, we'll be learning impulse pullback strategy. Okay, a pullback, a system that will generate for you consistent profit, which will be, the first one will be impulse. So the first one will be about specific price pattern we call strategy, entry and exit rules for long and short setups. How do we filter to take only the high quality trades, and how do we manage trades, right? How do you enter the trade? How do you exit the trades? Okay, lesson 6, really important, will be psychology of winning traders. So how do winning traders think differently from the rest? How do you manage the overcome of negative emotions that will impair your progress? How do you manage temporal drawdowns, which are inevitable in these traders? Or how do you program your mind to become a good trader? Okay, so in lesson 7, we'll be learning another trade strategy, which will be a pin bar strategy, which is a very powerful strategy which I use and has a good positive return. You'll be learning about the bullish and bearish pin bar and specific price action pattern for this strategy, exact entry and exit rules for these strategies. For entry and exit, how do we filter good trade setups? Finally, lesson 8 will be developing a trading plan. Just like every business needs a business plan, for a winning trader you need a trading plan. So we'll be able to develop such a trading plan, learning about my daily training routine that takes just about 3 to 6 hours a day, or even less. How to keep a trading journal to record your progress, how to keep improving each and every day, and we're also about how to choose a good forex with good tight spreads and leverages that are good.